today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to combine Gmail, Google Keep, and Google Calendar to simplify your digital life. Whether you're handling personal to-dos or managing work-related projects, integrating these Google tools can significantly boost your productivity and organization. Let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into the same Google account across all three services: Gmail, Google Keep, and Google Calendar. This is essential so the tools can sync properly and work together seamlessly, ready to complement each other in your daily routine. Once you've confirmed you're signed in with the correct account, go ahead and visit Google Keep by navigating to keep.google.com. When you arrive at the Keep dashboard, begin by creating a new note. You'll notice the option Take a Note prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to open a new note window and start crafting your important thoughts. Here, you'll want to give your note a clear title and a helpful description. Use the title as a quick label for what the note is about, and write the more detailed content in the description box. When you've captured all your thoughts, simply click Close to save your note. You'll now see it appear in your notes list, ready for your review at any time. If you'd like to personalize your note, you can change its background color or style. Easy to do, just hover over the note, click on the paint palette icon, and choose from the available themes and colors to make your notes visually distinct. This kind of visual customization can help you spot different notes quickly as you go about your day. With your note ready, let's move on to Gmail. Open your inbox, find the email that you'd want to turn into a calendar event or connect with your notes, ensuring that important information doesn't slip through the cracks. Once the email is open, click on the three vertical dots in the toolbar at the top of the message to open the More Options menu. From there, select Create Event. This will bring up a new Google Calendar event window, populated with the email's subject and body content. This saves you precious time and provides a solid starting point to build your event. Integrating your email this way can lead to a more organized schedule without duplicating efforts. Now turn your attention to the right-hand sidebar of the calendar screen and click on the Google Keep icon. It looks like a small light bulb. This opens a panel where you can view all your notes, allowing you to easily copy relevant details from a note directly into your calendar event. Keeping notes accessible ensures that you don't forget any detail, big or small. You can also choose to create a new note from this sidebar by clicking Take a Note. This is handy for capturing quick thoughts or important reminders related to the event you're setting up. After everything is filled out and customized, don't forget to click Save to store the event along with your connected notes in your calendar. And that's it. By using Gmail, Google Keep, and Google Calendar together, you can streamline how you manage information, tasks, and schedules, all in one connected ecosystem. Everything you need stays within reach, neatly organized and easy to find. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.